Hello, club owners and managers. Hope everybody is having a great sales day. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to sell personal training or add on punch cards, but have it be shareable with everybody on the account, whether it be a couple membership or a family membership. So if you buy a 20 package of personal training, it can be shareable with every person on that account. Same thing with punch cards. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I'm going to click on a member. And how to sell personal training, we're going to go to the active member that's initially buying it. We'll click view. We're going to click add personal training right here. And I'm going to, let's say this is going to be a 5-pack of personal training for $200. Make sure the expiration date is correct. If you don't have one, type in 0. The commission, remember, this is what the trainer would receive every time they service a session, and you do want to make sure you have the proper trainer attached to this package. So let's go ahead and click this checkbox right here that says share this training package with all members. And also, if you're not charging anybody for this package, you could just type in a 0 right here and it'll just add the package. Since we are charging this account for $200 and this customer says we can charge the card on file, we can go ahead and click charge this payment method on file and click charge account. Okay, so now if we go back to the account, we should see that package on the main account screen. So let's scroll down. And there's your personal training. Also, as a side note, if you want the personal training to move up the screen more, just click the arrow right here and you can move the personal training all the way up to the top if that's what you'd prefer when you're viewing an account. Okay, so let's go to another account and let's do the same thing, but we're going to do a punch card or an add-on. So let's go to another person's account. And we're going to go to the person that's buying the package of the add-ons. And in this case, we'll say this person is going to buy a 5-pack of massage. So I'm going to click new add-on. I think I actually have that in my drop-down box. There it is. So it fills out the dollar amount exactly how I want it. I'm just going to switch this to 5 sessions. And remember, I want to share this with everyone on the account. So I'm going to click this right here. Make sure the valid date is correct and everything else is correct. Charge the card on file. Also, if you just click share account and let's say it's a single member on the account, you just want it to appear on the main screen, that'll also do that as well. So let's go ahead and charge this account. Okay, and there it is, shared package. So now everybody on this account can share this package. And again, if this is a single person that you moved it to the main screen, if you do a add-on down the road, they will be able to share this package. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to give us a call at 855-367-4967, or you could just go to gyminsight.com and just chat with us right here. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.